Look at the birds flying over the world's tallest statue. I mean, what sight? What's up guys, good morning. This is Vashu Vlogs back again. And I'm leaving for Statue of Unity. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. And it's around 6:30. It's exactly 6:30 now. I'm already late. We were supposed to meet by 6 near Fountain Hotel, but shit man, I'm really late. I am not carrying any laptop or external hard drive to transfer the data from this card. So what I'll do is I'll make short clips and perhaps later on merge them all. So see you guys directly at Fountain Hotel.
Okay friends, so 8:40 am we reached Hotel Fountain, and one of our fellow riders had to return since his bike had some issues. Now after finishing our breakfast at Fountain, we took a tea break right after Gujrat checkpost, and then Ankleshwar se 1 घंटे पहले we took a lunch break. What's up guys? So we stopped here in this hotel, and Ankleshwar is around 1 hour from here. So we'll be going towards Ankleshwar, and then we'll be leaving from Ankleshwar. We'll be leaving towards Rajpipla. That's my bike, by the way, and you can meet my co-riders. Mr. Deepak Sharma, he's going to tell you what we had in lunch.
We had lasagna mateka and shaved tomato and undiu, along with some chas.
Shas and lassi. And the other guy, there you can see in the frame, is coming. So yeah, now we are all set. We're getting ready to leave now. And Navneet bhai, how's your experience?
Just quite nice.
But this is like we are riding for the first time,
Yeah,
and from now onwards, let's hope that we ride again and again.
sure, definitely.
Good to have you here.
Thank you.
Okay friends, so we took around 3 breaks. First one after Hotel Fountain, second one when we entered Gujrat, which was our tea break, and then lunch break was 1 hour before Ankleshwar. And then our final stop for day 1 was in the hotel booked at Rajpipla, which was again 20-25 kilometers away from Statue of Unity. So nothing much to show you from day 1, so let me directly take you to day 2.
Okay guys, so good morning. It's 8 a.m. and we are all set to leave for Statue of Unity. Yep. Chalo, Om Namah Shivaya, Har Har Mahadev. So luckily guys, it did not rain, and there was and it was, there was a lot of speculations, and a lot of people from our biking group, they said that the forecast conditions, the weather condition is not that great over there, and it was not advised that it's not the ideal time to visit Statue of Unity, but we thought let's try our luck, and it paid off eventually. Now look at the view, guys. Now look at the view. Look at this. Such an amazing. And this is Sunday morning. And this is Sunday morning, and the time 8:45.
Look at this, guys. World's tallest statue of unity. It's cloudy, but it's not raining. It hasn't started to rain yet. And let's hope that it doesn't rain. You will have wheelchair assistance also if you need. Escalator if you want to use. Okay, now locker facility is available. No foods inside, not even a small box of Tic Tac. Security wise, quite strict, and that's understandable. Now if you're looking for a map view of this, so this is the map view. So evening we missed out laser show, which was quite unfortunate. And
Now, while we are here now, so there's no such regret.
Yeah.
So the kind of statue they have built, a magnificent piece of architecture.
yeah, and by the way, he's architect himself, so he can appreciate it better than us. So this is the podium where you can get the 360-degree view. That is again Sarovar Dam. हाँ मैं घूम के आया, चलो चलो. हाँ.
Okay guys, so time to leave, and it was a very wonderful stay out here. In fact, wonderful to visit here. Good weather luckily for us, and now it has while we are leaving, it has started to rain.
Okay friends, so it's time to end the vlog here. I hope you liked the video, and if yes, then do like and subscribe. Until my next video comes, do ride safe and take care guys.
Thank you.